If you want to viral on TikTok and make money with the creativity program, certainly engage with this niche as soon as possible. It has the potential to make you thousands of dollars each month. The best part is that this niche has less competition, increasing your chances of success. It seems like these TikTok accounts are earning $11,000 by creating simple and quick videos that take less than 10 minutes each. In this video, they'll explain how they make money and share a method to automate the entire process using AI, and it's all for free. I'm going to start my own TikTok account using this method to see how much money I can make. Let's dive into the TikTok Creativity Program, an amazing program introduced by TikTok that rewards creators for their content, offering $1 for every 1,000 views. Some accounts are raking in millions of views per video, earning up to $20,000 per month. I will guide you through effective monetization strategies, including how to leverage your TikTok success to create additional income streams. So let's get started on this exciting journey towards TikTok success and financial rewards. First step, go to ChatGPT and ask it 5 unsolved conspiracy theories. This is a good subnet, as it will keep people talking in the comments about their theories. If you want more people to like your video, we'll make sure the changed words fit right into this prompt. You can find it in the video's description. This makes sure the words take exactly 1 minute to say, which is important for TikTok. If you think your words need fixing, you can use Google Docs. But if you're happy with your words, we can generate the video and voiceover using AI. Let's head over to Leonardo AI for this AI tool. While Leonardo AI operates on a credit-based system, a simple solution is to create a new account whenever we exhaust our credits, allowing us to generate more images seamlessly. Before diving into Leonardo AI, let's request ChatGPT to craft prompts for each stage of the script used for Leonardo AI. We require a total of 33 prompts, generating one every 2 seconds to captivate our audience. Once you're signed into Leonardo AI for free at Leonardo.ai, locate the drop-down under Advanced Controls. Choose 9x6, then activate the lock and slide the HY slider all the way. Now we're ready to hit the Generate button after the image is generated. Although this process needs to be repeated for each image, it's quicker than you might expect and well worth the effort, especially when each iteration can potentially earn you $1,000. Once all the images are in your possession, it's time to move on to the next step, generating a video. Brace yourself for the most exciting feature. Generate a motion video. It does come at a cost of 25 credits, but trust me, the outcome is absolutely worth it. Your video is now in the making. Click Download All Motion Video. Take the next step with 11 Labs for voiceovers. It's free and awesome. You can make voices, talk in any language, and even copy your own voice. The only limit is 10,000 characters per month, enough for 4 videos. Want more? Upgrade for just $1 or $5. It's a small cost with big benefits. Pick based on the description. Paste your script, let 11 Labs work its magic, and there you go. Your video now has a cool voice. Let's listen to it.
In the universe, or are extraterrestrial beings hiding in the shadows at Area 51? Some believe the government is concealing a cosmic secret. Alien encounters.
Now that we have our voiceover and images, let's edit them together. You can use any editing software, but I'll use CapCut for this video since it's free and does everything you need. You'll find a link in the video description. Before you start editing in CapCut, click on the settings in the top right. Choose Edit and set the image duration to 2 seconds. Then go back and click on New Project. In the editor, first, import your voiceover and motion videos. Drag in the voiceover and cut out any silent parts. This is important to keep the video engaging. After that, import your images one by one. The settings we adjusted will automatically crop them. Once your timeline looks good, add transitions for each image. Click on an image, go to Animation, choose Combo, and pick a transition. Do this for each image. Now let's add captions. CapCut has an auto captions feature. Select text, then auto captions, and generate them. Move the captions to the middle of the screen. Customize the text in the top right. Use a font like Z Palette. Set the size to 11. Choose a color, I like orange, and add stroke and shadow. Finally, go to Animation for Captions and choose Expand. In just a few minutes, following these steps in CapCut, you'll have a fully edited video that'll keep your audience interested. Let's talk about how to make your TikTok account popular. First, make a new account with a name related to what you like. Watch and like videos in your interest until your TikTok shows lots of similar content. Wait for a day before you post your own videos. When you post, use 5 hashtags related to your content. I'll share my TikTok account using these steps. I posted a few videos and one got over 2,000 views. Big pages in my interest started the same way. If I were in the creativity program, I might have made $5 by now. It's not a lot, but it's a good start, and you can make more as you grow. To make extra money, you can sell the videos you make or create a guide on how to make them. People might pay for that. In the end, making videos on TikTok can help you earn money. If you like this, please subscribe. Goodbye.